Hey YouTubers, Hike with Mike here of course, and I had to get out in the woods. There's this saying that I got from Ree LeBran, one of my subscribers, great subscriber, one of my favorite channels, and he quoted John Muir, "Into the woods I go, to lose my mind and find my soul," and that just resonates with me a lot. Particularly, I had to spend 3 days in the city, in Tampa. And those of you who know me, I'm not a city person. I'm a wild cat, not a house cat. Concept of waiting 5 minutes across the street or waiting 5 minutes at a traffic light, it's just something that doesn't appeal to me. I like to be out in the woods and out where it's quiet and more simple and relaxed and not crazy. So I need this just to decompress because I was so stressed out just with the traffic. You know, my shoulders were sore. My arms were sore because I was all tensed up whenever I had to drive in the traffic. So it's good to be out here enjoying the wilderness, because that's always the best prescription for whatever ails you. Hey YouTubers, Hike with Mike here of course, and today it's a really hot day, 95 degrees, but I'm at Camp Serenity, and that is always makes for good times and good medicine, and we'll even get a fire started later on. So looking forward to enjoying the evening out in the peace, calm, serenity. Well, I think I collected enough wood. Most of it's soft wood, so it's going to burn quick. There's not a lot of oak in this, and the oaks in this area are just turkey oaks, and they're not really conducive to being hardwood type of oak. So hopefully this will be enough for a fire tonight. It's okay. I'll probably go to bed early anyway. So I think I have enough. Done doing my rummaging through the woods looking for dry wood and dead wood for the fire. Well, it's probably down about 90 degrees, but it's okay. There's a small breeze that comes through, which is kind of relaxing, but it's nice. What's more important is it's quiet and calm and laid back. And I'm okay with that. Alright, trying to start a fire in the rain. It's just a drizzle, but hopefully we get enough heat here to be able to keep it going all night. It's smoky, but I think we should be okay. Once the heat gets up here, this fire will be stoked. Shaw, I'm stoked, dude. So peaceful. Storm clouds in the horizon, but still just so peaceful. There's always music, whether it's thunder, crickets, tree frogs, birds. It's always an orchestra out here. And you know what I'm going to say. That's good medicine. Beautiful sunset. Enough said. Well, the rain finally came. If you look way out in the distance, the sunset. So that's the good medicine. While the rain keeps coming down, but I don't think it'll last for long. And I'll be out there by the fire, and that'll be good medicine too. Always look for the positive in the negative. This is how quick the weather can change in Florida. There was a beautiful sunset a while ago, and then a storm comes through, so it's pretty crazy. So now I'm in a tent, chilling out here, but it shouldn't last long. It'll come through, and then hopefully I'll be able to start the fire back up. So we'll see. Well, the storm has arrived, so that's okay. It won't last long. Rainy days and Mondays always bring me down. It is Monday, and it is raining, so it's par for the course. But hopefully I'll be back out once this goes through. It'll be nice and muggy and humid, and hopefully I'll be able to get the fire started again, so we'll see. Crazy storm out here, but what's funny is the lightning bugs aren't phased at all. And I know I never get the lightning bugs on the video, but they're out here just blazing along while the storm, you know, so they're trying to compete, I guess, with the lightning. So that's pretty cool. I wish I could get the lightning bugs on this video, but I never do. But it's good medicine to see the lightning bugs out here competing against Mother Nature and her lightning. That's always good medicine. Alright, we had a downpour, but we still got the fire going, so that's always nice. It was hot enough to withstand the rain, so I just threw some more kindling on there and it's all set. So our fire's all set, and we have the beautiful sounds of the thunder in the distance, and look at this. I think I got this on camera. This is a lightning bug, I think, or it's a spider. But look at that, it's cool. I think I got it on camera. Usually you don't get this on here. That's pretty cool. It's all lit up. Flew off. That's cool. It's the first time I've gotten a lightning bug on camera. Well, we kept the fire going through the storm. So it's going raging on, keeping us warm. It really cooled down a lot after that storm, so it's really nice right now. Nice and pleasant. Nice fire, cooler temperature. It's all good.